Let me show you how you can rearrange words in stories. This can be very useful if the student themselves are writing stories, particularly if they're doing it from word sets. So let's click on New Story and let's go to Standard Mode. Now I have a set of words up the top showing that I want a student to write in their story. Quite often students might get words that they want in the story, but they might not get them in the right order. So let me show you. They might do this. And let's put in a that as well. So they've got the words for the sentence, but they don't have them in the right order. Now you can get the student to rearrange those words. If you go down to the tool button at the bottom, click on that and then click on the mouse. And now we can actually move the text, the words around the page. So I'll show you, I'll do it again. You see, you just move them around. So let's say we want I like the dog. We'll change that capital to a lowercase d, as it was at the beginning of the sentence before. We'll hit the tick button, and now we've got the story with the words in the right order. So that's how you can get a student to rearrange their own stories to get the sentence correct.